5 Amazing Birds Facts 1. Hooded pitohuas are among the few known poisonous birds. Their skin and feathers contain a potent toxin. 2. Penguins can drink seawater because their supraorbital gland filters out the salt from their bloodstream. 3. Owls don't have eyeballs. Instead, they have eye tubes, which is why they can't move their eyes and must turn their heads to see. 4. Pigeons can recognize themselves in mirrors, a trait shared with humans, dolphins, and some primates. 5. Woodpeckers' tongues wrap around their brains to cushion them from the impact of repeated pecking.